Guys, this is it after 1 minute. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video I would like to share one of my hair growth oil with you guys. If you are the type of person that you are alopecia patient like me, this is part of the ingredient I used to use to overcome the alopecia. Okay, alopecia patient, our hair demand a lot of moisture, a lot of different good oil for the scalp. So I'll be showing you the journey. Wasn't easy, but I overcome it. I'm not alopecia patient anymore. So as I'm talking to you guys, I have a dreadlock.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
So we should go straight to the video. The first ingredient we're going to be using black castor oil, Jamaica oil. Okay, and we are going to also use argan oil. Okay, this is serum, it's very good. And I'm going to use coconut, raw coconut, extra virgin cold press 100% coconut oil. And we are going to be using jojoba oil. Okay, you can get any brand. Too much light here guys. And then we're going to be using hammer oil, and we're going to be using shea butter from Africa, from Nigeria. This is organic, direct from Nigeria. And I'm going to be using Vanset oil, and I'm also going to be using tea tree oil, and I'm going to be using lavender to put a fragrance. Okay, it's good if you are looking for nice beautiful fragrance, you can use this. And I'm going to, sorry guys, I'm going to be using raw honey. So all this I received most of these ingredients on Friday, because so I will open it now. So we should go straight to the video. Sorry guys. So we need a clean bowl. So I'm going to also use so the last ingredient, we need black seed oil. So I'm going to be showing you how I used to mix it. I'll put my shea butter, don't mind the coconut there. So I'm just going to mix all the oil together. So patient with me guys. I'm going to be adding vitamin here, but it's going to be last. I used to use 1 capsule spoon of black seed oil. You can also drink black seed oil as well. It's very good. Black seed oil is a very good oil. So we need jojoba oil. We need 1 teaspoon as well. So actually this will last me up to 2 months. So I'm just going to mix all the oil. I'm going to use it for myself. I'm going to use it with the girls also. So I'll just go ahead, I will open it here. So you need 1 teaspoon of that. This is serum. So you need 1 teaspoon of almond oil. So from oil. So this will grow your hair for you. It will thicken your hair won't stop growing. So I just need a 2 drop. So I think that is 4. It's more than 2. I never get those one right. Oh, I love lavender scent. 2. I never get it right, guys. Never. Why would not? I only need 2 drops. Oh. No, I forgot to do. And that's it. And I will add the vitamin here last because I want to go ahead and you will use part of this part of this oil with the coffee. Okay, so I'll be right back to microwave the coffee. But that somebody was telling me that is wrong, but actually, because I used to sell this before, I'll show you guys. It's my product. I used to sell it before. This is all the ingredients. So when it worked for me, I used to sell it. I just give you guys for free. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll be right back. I need to microwave. So guys, you need a good coffee. Okay, I only need 1 teaspoon of my ground coffee. This is the type of coffee I recommend for me during my problem of my hair. So it works well. So I'm going to, you can apply it with any of the oil that I just showed you. So I'm going to go ahead with a Jamaica castor oil. Okay, so I'll be right back. I used to use a lot. So to bring the coffee, and we're going to use a lot of Jamaica oil. So some people doesn't microwave it. Okay guys, you might choose to not microwave it, and some people microwave. I microwave it for many years, then it still works the same. And to just extract the nutrients from the coffee, because or you can go through the hot water, but I'll be using the microwave. To be honest guys, it will work wonder. You can see me on the camera on the YouTube sometimes with my dreadlock. So this worked well for me. I'm still using it. I've missed the one I'm going to use throughout this season. So I'll go ahead. I'll be right back. So guys, this is it after 1 minute. Okay, smells so lovely. The coffee smell, oh my god, it's so beautiful. So this is it. So we're going to extract the oil out of the coffee. Okay, there's no any other way you can get the coffee oil. Is either you can leave it for 1 month inside the oil for 1 month. Maybe you can really get it, but this is how I be doing it, and all my clients, all my customers can testify it. They get their hair back. So I will get something to extract the oil. So guys, I've allowed the coffee to settle down. So you leave the coffee to settle. So my coffee is settled, and we only need the oil. So we're going to extract the oil. This is what I used to do. This never failed me. Patient, it work. You want to be careful. You get any clothes, any whatever you can. Okay guys, this is how I do it. Never failed me. Okay, patient. So you extract the oil with the patient, and want. So you can go ahead guys and start using this. Your hair will grow, never stop, growing, and it's the good news, it will fuller your hair will be thicker and full and dark. If you are the type of person that you're struggling with gray hair, go ahead and use these products and you will see change. You only need the coffee oil. So guys, if you have a gray hair, you can use Jamaica castor oil. Jamaica castor oil with coffee and be applied to your gray hair. Consistency is the key. By the time you know, you get rid of the gray hair. So guys, you mix it together. You mix all the oil, all the ingredients together. Keep applying it to your scalp, to your hair, to your children's hair, to the girls' hair, to your children's hair, and you will see your hair will grow fuller, never stop growing. If you, sorry guys, I almost forgot, you apply honey and the vitamin E last, okay? So you need 1 teaspoon of honey. So you mix them together. So you continue to apply these products to your hair, to the effect area. Your hair will be shiny. If your hair look dull, this will get rid of dullness of your hair. Your hair will be bounced, black. Your hair will grow, never stop growing. And please don't forget to share this video. Share my video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button should be in case if I have any new video. And continue to help me to grow this channel. Continue to support your girls. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you soon. Bye for now.